people? Welcome back to another lesson. This bad boy is a Patreon voted request for last month's vote. Can't even remember what month it was. July. It won July's vote. We basically asked for like 4 that I haven't done yet from the MTV Unplugged, because obviously that had an anniversary of 25 years, I think, since it was last released last week. So these people, thank you very much indeed, won. So and so have you, really, because this is a banging tune and we're going to get to learn it together. So there's not a lot to this. 2 lots of riffs and a solo, but we're going to cover that too. And I know I've got a few other solos to cover from this nutshell and a few others, I know. So they're on the list. We'll get to them soon. Let's crack on and have a look, shall we? So intro riff. Straightforward enough, right? It's the same phrase repeated. I don't think there are much changes in terms of rhythmic stuff. So you're basically going to play 2 chords. This is like an A major, but rather than playing the full bar chord, you're only playing 4 notes, 4 fretted notes, because the B and the E are open. And you're going to slide it up 2 frets. Okay? It's probably the most difficult bit of this riff. So if you can do that, you're going to nail this. So, slide, then you play another full chord. Both downstrokes. Then you're going to play this rhythm. And then 3 more. Alright, so all those are upstrokes. So again, that's the first bit. Then you're going to play. So it's down, up, 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 up. Again, from the beginning. Down, up, 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 up. Then back down 2 frets and play 3 more. And that's up, down, up. Okay? Up, down, up, and then back to the first beat. So very slowly. That's it, you just repeat that around. So that's the intro and the verse. Now for the chorus, all you're going to do is add in 2 more chords, the G and the E. Alright, so there's just 4 chords in this, but 2 of them you know already, and the shape is the same, you're just moving it around, right? So the rhythm for the chorus goes like this. Back into the verse, right? So the chord progression is pretty easy, but let's try and nail the rhythm part as per Jerry's live version of the MTV Unplugged. Okay, so down to the 3rd fret, and we're going to play this rhythm. Down, 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 up. That's it for the G. Then you're going to move up 2 frets to the A. And when you get to the A, you're going to play up, up, down, down, up. So those 2 bits again. And again, down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up. Down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Alright. Rhythm changes for this part when he goes up 2 more frets, so we're up to the B now. and he plays this. And then you go round that very first phrase again, okay? So, let's go through that. Okay, so it's down, down, up, up, down. Really straightforward stuff, but you play the first two full, and then when you do the upstroke, you're just going to catch the top few. Okay? And then you play the low few again, right? So it's... and then the full chord again. It's very subtle, but it's just worth getting in there, isn't it? Rather than it just sounding, you know, there's some nice dynamics in there. So just relax your right hand and try and get that. Then you're going to do this. So it's 7-5-5-3. Down, up, down, up. And then you go back into the first phrase, right? But this time, the E replaces the B. So we're going to play... back into that, right? So the first phrase is exactly the same. That's the same as the first time. But when you go to the E, it's following the same pattern as the first phrase, really. So it goes... so it's down, 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 up, 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 up. Alright, so the rest of it's just offbeat. And 3 of these. Which is up, down, up. Lovely. Now we might as well do the solo. Let's not stop there. So there you have it. It's pretty straightforward. So you're going to start with a rest and then play. So that is just... Alright, as per tab. I'm not going to call out all the notes. So once you've done that, you go straight to a bend on the D string, 14th fret. And there's just staying on the 12th fret, right? Slowly again. Then you've got 3, 4, 1. And again, 3, 4, 1. That's basically the same thing, just a subtle phrasing, and he's going to bend on the 12th fret instead of the 14th. So you got... but then you go... another rest, so you got 3, 4, 1. Alright, let's go through that. It's just 12, 14, 15 on the D. And then you bend the 14th fret. Okay, so 14 and then 14, 12. 14th fret on the D there. And then you've got this. Again, it's just pretty, you know, pretty loose sounding bends. They're half step bends on the 14th fret on the D string. So you play the 14th fret on the D, a half step bend, and then a bend and release. And then that at the end. So the last part, 3, 4, 1. And then back into that. So one more time around the solo slowly. 3, 4, 1. And that is it. You're done. So I hope you all enjoyed that one. See you again soon. Bye bye.